You might be looking at the world's best thermal imaging camera. Or are you? Stay tuned today in the Keep On Testing Spotlight.
The TK6, all new from FOTRIC. Wow and wow. This one is going to knock your socks off. Keep On Testing, shout out to FOTRIC. Thanks so much for sending the camera in for this review. I've tested a lot of thermal cameras over the years. I'm telling you, this is one I'm really excited about. Brand new from FOTRIC TK6, thermal camera extraordinaire. One of those rare cameras that actually punches way above its price level. The specs on this will blow you away. Resolution 384 by 288 real pixels. These are not upscaled. It's the real pixel McCoy. What makes this camera stand out is the sensor. 384 by 288. No fake resolution going on. A lot of cheap cameras fake high res using something called interpolation. TK6 doesn't do that. 110,000 real measurement points. What does that mean? It means sharper edges, better hotspot detection, no blur on moving target, yada yada. This is the real deal. Not only that, it feels like $1 million. The thing is just so well engineered. A really serious tool. And like I haven't blabbered enough, look at that. That is a manual focus ring. A manual focus ring. You don't see that every day. Well, if you're inspecting a PCB, you want to scan a panel across the room, you can still get accurate readings and you can focus on what you want. It's a huge deal when you're doing real-time diagnostics. It has a ceramic package sensor. Extremely rare at this price point. And that means better durability, more stable readings over time, and the biggest one, the hugest caveat, higher sensitivity. It's actually built for real thermal camera field work. TK6 ships in this very cool box with a nice big foam insert over here, and the camera is oh so nicely padded with that more foam insert. A charging plug adapter international, all the adapters you need, as well as that little charging cable right there. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You get a dock for the battery. That's right, you can charge this in two different ways, USB-C or via the dock. Dock will be quicker. Oh yeah, battery just like goes on like so, and the battery goes right into like so. Yeah. Hey, besides that, you get some pretty cool documentation. Finally, you get your FOTRIC handheld camera quick start guide. Manual, always important. There's so much going on in thermal cameras. Really a good idea. With the QR code you can scan. I think you get a separate user manual that more in depth, and as well you can download your analysis software with that QR code. By the way, this comes with a kit as well, the FOTRIC TK6 kit, which includes a carrying case, which is a good thing. My demo model didn't have the case, but it does come with the TK6 kit. This is very unique. Certificate guarantees that the camera listed on this card has been factory calibrated, and it peels off, comes right off. You can stick it on your bag or whatever you want for your professional. It's good to know that your clients have somebody who has a certified calibration test instrument. Another feature I really like is the fact you've got that 1/4-20 tripod screw insert right there. So if you want to put this on a tripod, like I've been doing a lot lately, keeps it solid, keeps it stable, and allows you to thermal image for long periods of time. Hey, speaking of long periods of time, you're gonna get around 4 hours of thermal imaging recording time with this unit, depending on obviously the weather, what have you. If it's colder, probably not quite as much, but still lengthwise, battery-wise, it does a pretty decent job. Turning the camera on couldn't be simpler. Just hold down on the power button for a second or two. Bada boom, bada bang, you are greeted instantly, almost, with that big, gorgeous 3.5-inch screen. Now, this is protected on the back by that case. Just lift it open, and suddenly now you are in thermal camera goodness. Absolutely incredible pictures here. The TK6 runs a 384 by 288 thermal sensor with a 17 micron pixel pitch, so you're getting a lot of energy in each of those pixel. Practical terms, we're talking like strong thermal sensitivity and excellent temperature measurement, and this is what you want in a mechanical industrial grade meter. Look at the panel. Look at this networking panel full of those hot switches. Whether it's network switches, electrical panels, this is where the TK6 really shines. You're not just seeing heat, you're getting that consistent, dependable reading that you can actually trust when you're diagnosing issues. The interface is super straightforward as well. I love the interface on this thing. You've got quick access to all of the palettes, your measurement tools, image capturing without digging through submenus. It just makes a huge difference when you're working, especially if you're on site. You just want to move fast, get the work done. You don't want to be messing around with the GUI. This is really, really easy. And comparing this to some of those 12 micron cameras, you might notice slightly less fine detail, but what you gain is actual stability in your readings. Something that is really cool as well. Look at this. This was a friend and a coworker and I in front of a window. He's already left the office, and his thermal image is still there on that window. That's how sensitive the TK6 is. Unbelievable. Have a side-by-side comparison here with another thermal camera. Slightly out of its league, that one on the left, but nonetheless, I thought I'd bring it in for a overview. You can see quite a difference here. Stark contrast. With the FOTRIC, you've got that macro capability. I mean, it's macro. This also has macro capability, the thermal camera on the right, but look at the difference. I mean, you just can't get in close enough. That FOTRIC right on the components. With that manual focus as well, you can focus in on particular components that may be of interest to you while you're troubleshooting. So, wow, what a difference the FOTRIC TK6 really makes for PCB troubleshooting. Okay, let's take a look at some of the subsets of the menu. Here you have your image enhancements, your language, set right now to English, of course. You can change all sorts of things, date, format, the whole 9 yards. Brightness, we have it set to 80%. I find that plenty bright as is. Do the about, and here's the actual model number with the firmware. And yes, you can update the firmware as well. Over 30 gigs of space left on that SD card. Lots of room here. You can format the SD card from scratch. You can delete it, factory reset, the whole 9 yards. Here's an interesting one as well. You have a temperature control range, so you can go from basically a lower temp to a higher temp. So that's just going to enable a little bit more accuracy in terms of what you're looking at, depending on the temperature range it might be in. Really amazing when you use these cameras. You never know what you're going to find. Look at this heat signature right beside that pot light on the left. Don't know what that is, but we do have quite the heat signature there. That very cool. Anyway, outside as well, bright sunny day, and still you can see that thermal display quite clearly, even with all that contrast. Inside, same thing. Even Hugo comes up nice and clear. 100% something to be said for portability. The big TK6 on the right, not the smallest, nowhere near it. A little on the large side, actually, for handheld, but I've got to say, using it on and off for over a month, the ergonomic factor is outstanding. What a great thermal camera to use. So easy to hold, never get tired. And compared to that little one, I'll take the big one any day of the week. I have absolutely nothing negative to say about the TK6. It is a gorgeous, well-built camera that really can stand the test of time. And in terms of any niggling issue that might bother me just a little bit, well, the only thing that comes to my mind off the get-go is the cover for the actual lens itself. Because when you're trying to pull it out at first, sometimes it's a little hard, and you can see here how it's really close to those sensors. So, I don't want to mess up that sensor with my fingers. So I just wish maybe this was a little lower or something and just wasn't quite so close. But yeah, I mean, that's about it. Other than that, this is a gorgeously designed camera. Love it. Closing thoughts on the TK6 from FOTRIC. Oh yes, what an amazing thermal camera it is. Image quality, extraordinarily sharp. Manual focus, that equals total control. And the accuracy, don't even get me started, it's the kind of performance you'd expect from a camera that costs way more. Now, I know it ain't perfect. There's a bit of a learning curve, especially with the manual focus, and it's definitely not cheap, especially if you're just getting started. But that's the trade-off. Here with the TK6, you're stepping into thermal camera professional territory. It's not for everybody, no, but price for performance, this thing punches really, really hard. And I think that is the most surprising thing, is just how good the quality is with this camera. The TK6 from FOTRIC gets a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Hey, I love this camera so much that it is actually going to be the Keep On Testing thermal camera for 2026. You'll be seeing it in all my thermal cam reviews and more. This thing is amazing. Thanks for watching this review, everybody. Till the next one, keep on testing.